for joining us today. We're going to be discussing the touchy subject of code words for girls. And with that, I'm handing it off to Colton Dobbs.
Today's word is misfire. Misfiring could mean many things, but in this particular code, we like to use it for what most people would call making out. There are many ways to use this word, such as Trace has never misfired.
This is Trace.
This is Trace.
Thank you for joining us for this episode. Tune in next week.
Episode's not over. I have to give my advice. Some expert advice.
This is Gen.
I have for
FYI.
I have for every one of you that's watching this.
I hate everyone that's watching.
Do not date girls 3 or 4 years younger than you that you meet on MySpace or Facebook. It's not going to work out. You might think it will, but it's not. It's happened to me before. Don't let it happen to you.
Goodbye.